Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
The shows offered to me during the COVID times, and उस वक्त it was more about leaving Bombay and going. So when it was offered to me, the first thing I said, okay, I'm doing it. उनको बता रहा था कि people have seen me doing that for 10-12 years. That's my comfort zone. But मैं जब digital में आना चाहता हूँ, and because we watched so many OTT shows, so my only intention was, because I've seen so much, I don't want to do the same thing that I've been doing. I want to challenge myself and also surprise the people who have seen me since so many years. मैंने दाढ़ी बढ़ाया, थोड़ा और उम्र बढ़ाना था तो चश्मा पहन लिया, ग्रे कर भी सकता था, नहीं किया क्योंकि मुझे वो बहुत क्लीशे लगता है ना, लाइट ग्रे हल्का सा, सो वो नहीं किया. बट बाकी I try to look older, look different as much as I could. So people have taken the people initially shared the pictures with, they were 2 सेकंड नहीं, अच्छा अमर this is you. बट कभी कभार ना मोनोटोनस कर लेते हैं परफॉर्मेंस में, तो थोड़ा अनलर्न करना जरूरी था. तो हम जानते सब है, लेकिन वो निकाल कर वो मेन चीज रखना, या जो भी नॉलेज है उसको अक्यूमुलेट करके छोटी मुट्ठी में बांधना जो ऐसा बिखरा हुआ है. And that's when I discovered and realized that I should do something out of the box. Even बताया मैं मार्च में हम कुछ शूट करने वाले थे जो शेल्व हो गया because of COVID. And they told me it's the same character. I told them, अच्छा कहाँ शूट करने वाले? So they said Goa. I said okay, I'm coming. That was my first answer. And digital की खास बात होती है, characters are important. But in digital show what happens is, if it's an ensemble, the characters are loved. And that I realized that, and वो एक खास बात है between digital and TV. TV होता तो मैं बोलता नहीं यार ये क्या मैं नहीं करूँगा, ये तो important. हम लोग के दिमाग में सिर्फ good है TV में या bad है, बीच का कुछ नहीं देखते हम लोग.
Hi Amir, welcome to India Forums.
What's up?
I'm all good. How are you doing?
Very nice. Yeah.
Let's get started. It's your digital debut, of course. Tell us about the process of shooting and how's it been so far.
Okay, so the shows offered to me during the COVID times, and उस वक्त it was more about leaving Bombay and going. So when it was offered to me, the first thing I said, okay, I'm doing it. Then I heard the script, because 3 months of complete lockdown in Mumbai, when I was in Mumbai, and कहीं बाहर नहीं गया था. I live with my mother, so I can't take a chance of going out. So and this was something I wanted to do because I was going to do something else with ZEE5 in the month of March, which got shelved, of course, because of COVID. But it was on the same lines. The character was on the same lines. I did not want to play a nice, clean guy, which I've always done. Throughout my journey, I've always done that. I've always played this good guy, a fun guy, a guy who dances, a guy who romances. वो मुझे digital में नहीं करना था, and I was being offered the same kind of roles. So it took some time for people to accept me, what I was telling them. मैं उनको बता रहा था कि people have seen me doing that for 10-12 years. That's my comfort zone. But मैं जब digital में आना चाहता हूँ, and because we watched so many OTT shows, so my only intention was, because I've seen so much, I don't want to do the same thing that I've been doing. I want to challenge myself and also surprise the people who have seen me since so many years. Yeah, so that's the character I wanted. When they called and told me it's the same character you wanted to do and stuff, I just jumped. And I worked hard. I did my workshops. I did my look change. I became a little older. मैंने दाढ़ी बढ़ाया, थोड़ा और उम्र बढ़ाना था तो चश्मा पहन लिया, ग्रे कर भी सकता था, नहीं किया क्योंकि मुझे वो बहुत क्लीशे लगता है ना, लाइट ग्रे हल्का सा, सो वो नहीं किया. बट बाकी I try to look older, look different as much as I could. So people have taken the people initially shared the pictures with, they were 2 सेकंड नहीं, अच्छा अमर this is you. In fact, I met also that time, after that time, because मैंने दाढ़ी बढ़ा दी थी and stuff. So I was happy that they are taking few seconds to recognize me, which I wanted to.
Okay. So while we are on this conversation, like you mentioned that एक ही तरह के roles offer होने लग गए थे. For
जी.
some reason, even I mean, I wouldn't say this is just true for television actors or actors in the films or whatever, but it is universally true कि after a point of time, since you've been around for such a long time, you tend to get stereotyped, and there's
Yeah.
always like OTT has sort of helped people break that barrier, while some have managed to done it with TV shows only. So
Yeah.
how helpful do you think that aspect of OTT has been for you, for actors in general, something that you must have observed?
See, I won't say I was offered so many roles and stuff. I'll be lying. I was offered few of them, but they were all on the same lines that I've done in past. Those kind of roles. And I didn't want to do those roles anymore. And the shows also, maybe. The shows were also very TV-based shows. I wanted to break this. अगर मुझे OTT करना ही है, तो फिर मैं कुछ ऐसा कंटेंट करूँ ना. अगर मुझे टीवी टाइप के शोज करना है तो मैं टीवी कर लूँ ना. So that's what my mentality was. So I waited. I tried. I was wanting to do OTT for 6-8 months before COVID also. But when I got something, it got shared. But then I eventually got. So my intention was my first OTT show has to be a little out of the box for me at least. I want to be challenged. अगर मैं same shows करता, मैं same zone में रहता, मैं same मस्ती में रहता, तो I would have been doing it and people would have seen me doing that. I will do that in future. But at least my approach would be different. And my first show I wanted to be something like this.
Right. So, you sound very excited about the show because it's something very different and it's your debut. There are multiple reasons to it. If you had to, call out 3 main USPs about the show, what do you think they'll be?
USP से पहले मैं हमारे जो शो का जो है बताऊंगा कि it was shot during COVID times. This was the show which was shot during, जून तो शुरू नहीं हुआ, जुलाई अगस्त, that zone. जब भी लॉकडाउन जस्ट खत्म हो रहा था and जब सब सोच रहे थे काम करे या ना करे, we shot during that show and I'll remember 3-4 things in my life what I've done, achieved in the industry. This show will be one of them because of the timing. I think the timing was so important for this show that we went through a lot during the show, this pandemic, this whole life-changing experience happening. And उस वक्त हम लोग ये shoot कर रहे, shoot पे जाओ, सब mask पहने, and सब बता रहे थे कि हमारा पहला shoot है after 4 months, and we come out of the house for the first time in a couple of months. So from that experience, we were shooting, but we were living in the shoot also. ऐसा लग रहा था हम एक dream में जी रहे, ये क्या हो रहा है हमारे साथ गोवा में, एक अलग शहर में. So all those things, I'll never forget this shoot. USP, a bunch of good actors who are all been there, done that. बहुत सारे, मैं टॉप सोचने की ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. Bunch of good actors, the thrill element in the show, and the action which has been done, the locations, action locations को मैं साथ में दिखूंगा because we've shot in real dense jungle, forest, in between कीड़े मकोड़े. मैंने इतना नहीं किया, बाकी की बात जो नक्सल and राजीव के साथ जो हुआ था, but I've seen the shots, they look really intense. So I think the look, the thrill, and a bunch of good actors. आप जो बोल रहे थे, मैं अपने आप को क्वेश्चन करके आंसर दे रहा था.
Right, of course. So, like you said, obviously those 3 things are what make a good show at the end of the day. But your look is also something that has been garnering a lot of talks around because it's something that is very different and something different for you as well. Like people have not seen you in this avatar of sorts.
Yeah.
So what was the process of getting into the shoes of your character? And did you have any personal inputs? Yeah, if there's something that you remember that you tweaked about your character, and if you'd like to tell your fans about.
See, मैं अभी टॉप 3 में मैं अपनी तारीफ करूंगा तो मैं सबसे बड़ा स्टूपिड रहूंगा. लोग करते हैं लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकता. I feel very shy. करता भी हूँ मैं, कभी-कभार करता भी हूँ. मुझे पूछते थे पहले what's the US? I was saying me. करता हूँ लेकिन I feel embarrassed doing these things. On a serious note, I can't. Yeah,
Okay.
but I आप लोग बोल सकते हो, मैं नहीं बोल सकता. But I worked hard towards the show. I worked
Of
hard.
course.
This is the first time I've done a workshop. So I've done a workshop. A big director friend of mine, had recommended that I should do a workshop just to unlearn a lot of things. You know, कभी-कभार unlearn करना जरूरी होता है. जो मैंने किया, and it really helped me. ये मैंने किया था दिसंबर में. So I realized we know, because of so much of experience, we've done a lot of shooting, but कभी-कभार ना monotonous कर लेते हैं performance में, तो थोड़ा unlearn करना जरूरी था. So हम जानते सब है, लेकिन वो निकाल कर वो main चीज रखना, या जो भी knowledge है उसको accumulate करके छोटी मुट्ठी में बांधना जो ऐसा बिखरा हुआ है. And that's when I discovered and realized that I should do something out of the box. Even more, like मैं सोच रहा था करूँ कुछ अलग करूँ, but I didn't have the guts. So when I did that workshop, I said नहीं, मुझे अभी तो करना ही है. I need to challenge myself. So when I start pitching people कि मुझे कुछ थोड़ा टेढ़ा करना है, थोड़ा सीधा नहीं करना है, I want to be a little crooked. I don't want to be very nice. It took some time for people to get convinced, but then I got this show finally. And for this show, I again did a workshop. I did my workshop. I had different looks designed for it. I remember growing my full beard, like itna zyada beard, and then cutting it slowly and changing looks and sending it to my creators. And from the look to my weight, to my appearance, to my acting, mostly तो इस टाइम मैं सबसे ज्यादा ना एक्टिंग में कंसंट्रेट किया. आज तक मैंने जो भी टीवी शोज किया मुझे लुक ज्यादा रहता. एक्टिंग तो ठीक है ना, वो तो कर ही लेंगे, बट दिस टाइम आई रियली वर्कड हार्ड ऑन माय एक्टिंग. दैट मुझे ये कैरेक्टर कैसे करना है, बिकॉज ये इसमें इस हर जगह ना, व्हेन एन एक्टर हैज समथिंग ऑफ देयर पार्ट इन दैट कैरेक्टर. इस कैरेक्टर में मेरा सबसे कम पार्ट था आमिर का. It was always Amir is more than any other character. You know, होता है ना कि you're taking characters and you're doing it, but Amir ज़्यादा रहता है. I mean, for me, this time I was the minimum. सबसे कम था मैं आज तक का जो मैंने play किया था. It was difficult, but I got trained by Saurabh Sachdev. He's a very fine actor and a great teacher also. So he really helped me. हम लोग ऐसे ही Zoom पे बात करके he trained me, and it was fab. I think every actor should do workshop.
Right, got it. So this, like, you've been around for so many years. Obviously, you have your own set of experiences. But then again, this is a new platform, and this is a new journey at a different stage of your career, obviously. So were there, like, moments where you felt ki, "Arey, ye to, when I had started TV or when I started, films, that did you get any feeling of those sorts? Like, when you start something new, so there are jitters, some have nervousness, jo bhi various feelings hoti hai. So what was it like for you, that process of it?
मैं अपनी मैं नहीं बोलूंगा आई एम द मेन थिंग और जो आप मुझे पहले बोलने लगा रही थी, बट एक चीज मैं अपने बारे में बताऊंगा कि आई डोंट गेट नर्वस. दैट्स वन positive and something about me which has always been there. I don't get scared. That's why I like doing things. I get scared, but एक बार अंदर घुस जाओ ना, then I'm not nervous. Then I'm there. चाहे कोई भी सामने आ जाए. जाने से पहले I'll be questioning a lot of things. I'll be confused. I'm confused. Yeah, all my friends tell me you're always confused before. So before getting into the show, I will be super confused. करूँ नहीं करूँ, ये मैं पका देता. अपने मेरे 4-5 friends होते थे, उनको मैं पागल कर देता था. मगर once I'm in it, then I'm not nervous or I'm not scared. Then I'm in it. Then confidence जाग जाता है मेरे अंदर के whoever जो भी है ठीक है.
So that was a smooth transition for you. That's what we can see then. All right. Last question for now. So obviously this was shot during a pandemic. It was actually shot when things were at the peak, and apart from the apprehensions about the fact that obviously safety first and things like that, because this is something different, this is something on a new platform, did you have any other apprehensions about the show, about you already mentioned you don't get nervous, so I'm guessing that was obviously not one of your worries. But did you have any other kind of apprehensions, how are people going to receive it, or how are you going to get through, because obviously there's added pressure, plus itne time se kaam nahi kiya tha. So what was your thought on that front, and how was it like?
Frankly, when I got a call and they told me shoot हो रहा है, it's the same character. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, मैं मार्च में हम कुछ shoot करने वाले थे जो shelve हो गया because of COVID, and they told me it's the same character. I told them अच्छा कहाँ shoot करने वाले हैं? So they said Goa. I said okay, I'm coming. That was my first answer. And then they sent me the script. And अच्छा jokes apart, script तो भेजो, मैं आ रहा हूँ, script तो भेजो. So then they sent me the script and I loved it. I had no apprehensions. I was waiting for something like this. And I was waiting to do a Teda character like this. So when you see the show, you would not know what is coming from this guy. So and digital की खास बात होती है that characters are important. Rajiv is playing the protagonist in the show. He's a dear friend. He's a lovely actor. So I have no apprehensions about it. But in digital show, what happens is, if it's an ensemble, the characters are loved. And that I realized that, and वो एक खास बात है between digital and TV. TV होता तो मैं बोलता नहीं यार ये क्या मैं नहीं करूँगा, ये तो important. हम लोग के दिमाग में सिर्फ good है TV में या bad है, बीच का कुछ नहीं देखते हम लोग. In digital show, what I've learned from watching so many of the web shows is there are these 4-5 good characters who create an impact. मुझे अब तो याद है मैंने Made in Heaven देखा था. They were primary characters, but the one who touched my heart was, I think, the 6th or 7th most important Punjabi chick. जो अगर आपने Made in Heaven देखा है तो, she just touched my heart. Yeah. So it just depends on the on the character on OTT, and that's the charm of this space where you venture a lot of things, where you do a lot of different things. And I'm playing a different character here, and I'm playing an exactly opposite character in the next show which I'm doing. इसकी बात हम next month करेंगे. अभी सिर्फ नक्सल.
Of course. Finally, if you can just have a message for your fans, and then
Cool guys, what's up? You're going to see Amir Ali in a very different avatar. ऐसा कौन बोलता है? You're going to see Amir Ali अपने बारे में ऐसा बोला. Okay, you're going to see me in a very different role. And I've really worked hard towards it. It's a very good show, and the most important thing is it's been shot during COVID times, and we've really put in our heart and soul for every actor, for my producers, for the platform, for anyone. जिसके लिए भी देखना है आपको बस देख लो. Please give us a feedback if you liked it. I hope you're gonna like it because we worked really hard. Naxal Bari, right? Date Naxal Bari 28th November on ZEE5.
Right. Cool. That sounds great. Thank you so much for talking to us, and all the very best.
Pleasure. Thank you so much, Rita. Thank you. Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.